Hello friends, this is Rajesh and you are watching my channel Rinku Art. So today in this video I'm going to design a character, and after then I'll show you how to do the front pose of that character. In my upcoming videos I'll complete this turnaround in different videos. So without much ado, let's get started.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
So here first I'll design my character, and I'm doing the head part. I'll keep it very simple so that while doing the turnaround will not face that much problem. If you're practicing the turnaround, then try to keep your character as simple as possible at the beginning stage, then slowly you can go for a little advanced one. So what I'm designing right now is little in between the simple form and the advanced character, so just you will get an idea how I'm doing it. And this one I'm doing in Sketchbook Pro, and if you are using it, it is free, let me tell you that, and you can download it and use it because it is very helpful software for doing turnaround or character designing. I'll show you how to do the character designing and how it will help you to do the turnaround. So here I am roughly designing my character, keeping my hand loose, and I'm just finding out the simplest form to do the designing. I'm just quickly doing the rough, and this is the first stage. Next stage I'll do the rough cleanup with black line. Small details which I think it is required, I'll do it in this stage itself, so that while doing the cleanup I'll not face that much problem. So I am putting the ties and the pockets, everything I'll try to draw in this stage itself. So now as you can see, my character is roughly ready. I'll reduce the opacity of this layer and I'll take another layer to do the rough cleanup. I'm taking the black color and quickly I'll do the cleanup and detailing. Whatever small detailings are there, you should put on in this stage. Try to keep your character as simple as possible. If you want some small details which you think is important for your character, then you should go for it and put those details on your character. Here I am thinking about the shape and how it will helpful for me to draw the turnaround. Everything I am thinking while drawing this character here, which is in 3/4. This stage is also not the final one, because here I am doing the detailings and I'll do some R&D, because in the rough stage, that was the construction stage where I just kept the base, and now I'm putting the detailings. And detailings means I need to see whether that part is looking good on that or not. Like on the left hand, when I'll put the curve opposite and see whether it is looking good or not, and then I'll change it, because as you can see over here, it is not looking that proper. So I'll change that lines to C curve, the opposite curve. So the curve, the overlapping lines are very important, that you need to understand every time. And here I am doing the legs. So here I can change the legs as well, because I have the base. On that I can do my own designing, or I can manipulate the part. Like you can see the lower portion of this character I have changed a bit as compared to the rough. So you can do all these things in this stage itself. If it is not looking good, or you don't like your character what you have done, so you can anytime change your character, because in rough stage it is not clear. While doing the cleanup or detailing, you will get the problem, or it is looking good or not, you can find out very easily. So here I am drawing the pockets. I am adding something on the shirt, maybe like security guard type shirt. It's just for the demonstration purpose, so you can take any reference and design your character. After doing the light lines, I'll do some dark lines to finalize that line. Character cleanup is also done, or the character detailing is done. I'll check everything and then I'll go for my front pose. So as you can see, I have just started with the new layer and reducing the opacity of the previous layer, 3/4 one, the character designing layer. So here I'll roughly design the front face without any tool. So right now I am doing the face area, and quickly I am designing the parts of the face like eyes, nose, mouth and ears. Everything I need to see and compare with the previous layer, which I have reduced the opacity, and I need to be very clear, and every time I need to cross check with the previous layer. This is only the rough. So here I am using the symmetry tool. I'll keep it in the middle, and now I'll start putting the lines, and now you can see it's almost doing the mirror work. Whatever I am doing on the left side or right side, it is copying on the other side. So here I am doing the lines little darker to get an idea, because previously I have done some light lines, rough lines. So you need to check where is the middle line of that symmetry tool, and accordingly you have to do the drawing. So sometimes it is like it's not visible properly, then you can go back to the previous layer and reduce the opacity, and you can carry on with your present layer. And again, if it is not visible properly, you can go back and increase the opacity, and again you can work on it. So quickly I am doing all the rough, because again I need to cross check with the previous layer, or you can say the 3/4 pose, by keeping it aside. So first I need to create my base. On that I can do all the changes or whatever thing I require, or it is equal to the 3/4 pose or not. That all things I need to check in the next stage. So as you can see, this character is roughly done. I can compare this character, this pose, with the 3/4 one by shifting it aside. So for that I have duplicated the two layers and hide both the layer. These two layers I kept unhide and see whether any changes are there I need to do, because if you'll keep the character aside, you can find out the mistakes you have done. And the symmetry tool is only for your support, that is not the final thing you need to use. So here you can see the head portion is little broader as compared to the previous one. So I need to see which tool will work. But I think I need to draw it manually. The ears are also looking little like going inside, so I need to fix all these things here. It takes more time to analyze the character and find out the mistakes, because for a long time you are drawing the same character and you can't find out your mistakes. So you need to take some time, or you need to take some break. Then again you need to come and see whether this character is looking exactly with the 3/4 pose or not. See, this layer I had kept earlier, that's why it is useful for me, because that was little near to this character. Actually you need to draw the lines, the horizontal lines, then that will be much easier for you to draw and find out the eye lines, nose lines, everything. So here you can see the pockets are too closer and it has no space if you will compare with the 3/4 pose. So I'll make it little in middle. So this also I am doing in mirror, or you can say symmetry tool. You can always use the rotate option to make your drawing look good. So here you can see the front face is ready. This I have done in Sketchbook, and this is very helpful software. You can use it for turnaround and character designing, and both the poses are done. So you can also try it out in this software and find out whether it is helpful for you or not. In my next video I'll show you the side pose of this character. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. And if you are here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe my channel along with the bell icon hitting to all. So thank you and bye bye. Take care.